back to the homestead. It's another hot one, and we got some projects to do.
Today we're doing a project that we've been putting off for a couple weeks now. I know, a couple weeks, but it's just one of those things that you don't really look forward to doing, and that's cleaning out the barn. We do a deep litter method with our goats, and so we finally got them out on pasture a few weeks ago with the babies, and now today's the day to clean out the barn. The first thing we got to do is actually take down the gates that we have as dividers for our goats in the actual barn. We got to move their feeder. We got to take down a bunch of stuff, move a bunch of stuff. So we're going to be doing that first before we actually get the tractor in here to scoop all this out to make our compost. Now we do the deep litter method through the winter months when the goats are in the barn. Some people are for the deep litter method and some people aren't. We prefer the deep litter method. I'm not sure what other people do, but with us, we monitor the height of the deep bedding that we have, and then we clean it out. So we're not going from December to March with just keep piling and piling and piling on the hay down for them, or the straw down for them for their deep litter. We monitor it, and once it gets a little too high or gets high where we think we need to go ahead and clean it out, we'll clean it out. So maybe once a month, maybe a little, like 1.5. We just kind of estimate on what we need to do, and also the weather to get them out of the barn so we can clean it. Now this is the last cleaning that we're going to do get it all ready for fall when it's time to bring them in. These stunts were performed not by professionals. We don't recommend you do that at home.
Hold on, I'm gonna back up so I don't hit that thing.
Now while he's doing that, I'm actually on an egg hunt. We have some of our girls that are free range and they lay random places in the barn. We had something get some of our eggs I forgot to get the other day. And I'm just kind of looking in little nooks and crannies around the barn to see if I can find anything. So we have this like little corner here, let me show you, that they like to lay in back in there. And it doesn't look like any eggs there today. Of course, it's still early, so, and it's so hot already. Oh, I found some in the trash can amongst all places. So there's two, and then I see where they did lay and some of the eggs got taken, ate. I'm not seeing any more. I might have to look in a couple other places. Looking back behind this, nope, nothing back there. I'll show you where some of them were and they got ate. Oh. They were back in here and you can see the shells. Normally they were laying them in the back of the mule for us or somewhere where we could see them, but I guess since I've been taking them, they're finding new places to lay them.
Got the barn mostly cleared out with the tractor. Next step is put down some DE. We normally do that after we clean the barn out.
DE is diatomaceous earth. Now we normally put that down, kind of mix it in a little bit, and then we'll put another layer, we'll put down a layer of clean bedding on top of it before the girls come in.
So this is the diatomaceous earth that we're talking about. We got this one here comes with a duster. So you just assemble this tube in the top here and you just fill this container up. So that's probably something you want to stay upwind on. You don't want to really breathe this stuff. You know, if you want to use a mask, it's probably good practice. But this is kind of just how we sprinkle it. I just got the wind to my back, so I'm really not breathing this stuff in.
We've done some research, and the way I look at it is, why not? What's it going to hurt? The girls aren't breathing that in. We're not breathing that in. And if it actually helps to rid of anything, why not try to do it without using harsh chemicals or what have you? So that's what we do, and it's been working for us pretty good.
Yeah, we just make sure we give enough time to getting down into the soil and they're not in there breathing the raw dust.
Right.
So.
And then you can see the pile that we have. Now, a lot of that is a mix of their pen and then where we actually throw hay down from the hay loft and it busts open. So it's just a mixture of things, but that is a great pile to start for our compost. And we do have another video of us cleaning and talking about our compost. If you want to check that out, I'll be sure to link it below. So look at that. And then this won't stay that big. That actually shrinks down, what you'll see in the video. It gets down and breaks down to that, what do you like to call it?
I don't know, the black gold?
Yeah, the black gold that we use in our garden.
Yeah, this pile behind us will not stay here. This is their pen area, but it's just too muddy right now to move all this over to our compost area.
Right, it just rained. We had that hurricane weather come through, so we had rain for a couple days, so it's a little muddy, but we're going to leave it, and then he'll eventually move that.
Yep. Thank you guys for watching today of our chores that we had planned for this day.
We hope you found the video helpful or insight, or even just enjoyed our goofing around while doing chores, because that's what makes farming fun, makes the chores a little bit better, is just goofing and trying to have a good time, make the best out of a not so fun thing.
Yeah, I enjoyed taking Ashley a ride on the bucket there up to the hayloft.
Yeah, things we do for good shots.
Yeah, but we got to have fun while we're working, huh?
Right, that's the most important, and we hope you all are having a great day at your homestead, and we pray you have a blessed day.
Yep, have a good one. God bless you guys.
We'll see you on the next one.